one right there, Missy Oders. Missy Oders in the lead.
Oh! Give me.
Gotta do. Look at her.
Yeah. 716. Yeah, Missy Oda coming around there in first place at 33
Oh my God. Okay, maybe record.
Get back.
Yeah.
Stuck on the start finish line. That's interesting. Real quick, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That actually put Patty Ritz
Come on.
winning it with Missy Oder in second, if my math is correct. Interesting move there.
Oh. Hey, the Dodge is back up. Oh, it's back down.
Caitlin Edwards in third.
Oh my God.
Oh, nice. She couldn't get hung up.
Shouldn't have backed up.
No way, sir.
Is that car the only left? Yeah.
That's good. Okay. Yeah.